रानी और आज मैं आपको म्यूजियम की सैर कराऊंगी जहां मुख्तलिफ मुल्कों की पुतलियां सजाई गई हैं। आज मैं आपको श्रीलंका की पुतलियां दिखाऊंगी। क्या आप जानते हैं श्रीलंका कहाँ है?
The puppets displayed in this window were acquired from Sri Anura Puppet Troupe, Sri Lanka. The term for puppets in Sri Lanka is Rukada, which literally means figure of a doll. Puppetry is popular in Sri Lanka as a kind of rural drama, which became popular approximately 300 years ago. The influence of puppetry came from Asian countries such as China, Malaysia, and Japan. There are several types of puppets in Sri Lanka, like string, club puppets, shadow puppets, hand puppets, and finger puppets. This window display is designed by Heike Ikola and Sabine Kohler from Germany.